don't find it easy to look on the bright side. I'm tired and wheezing, been running for miles, and I know, that there's a hole. Take no notice, take no. Well, I've been roaming around, gravity down, energy low. What a way to exist, but you've been polite, ignoring this fool. You said slow down and I said no. You said don't burn both ends of the candle. I can't hide but I can run. The earth will pull me back at once, and I will hit the seawall. If I were a heartbeat, somewhere heavy to leave, this uneven feeling wouldn't terrify me as much as it does. But I know that there's a hole. Take no notice, take no. If it's not in my lungs and it's not in my blood, I can't remember all the things that I have given up. If it's not in my hands, not something I can plan. This isn't something I'd expect for you to understand. If it's not in my blood, then it's not in my lungs. I can't remember all the things that I have given up. If it's not in my hands, not something I can plan. This isn't something I'd expect for you to understand. Well, I've been roaming around, gravity down, energy low. What a way to admit that I might break down if I don't just go. You said slow down and I said no. You said don't burn both ends of the candle. I can't hide but I can run. The earth will pull me back at once.